Let's tackle the purl stitch. Here we go. Hello, my name is Cindy. Thank you for coming to my channel. This is going to be all about the purl stitch. This here is a knitting swatch, but I am going to start by purling. Make sure that your working yarn is in front of your work. Go in through the top, to the bottom of the stitch, around the back, in the middle of the two needles, pull the loop through. This is the garter stitch, and on the back of a purl row you will see V's like this. This is called the stockinette stitch. So one row of knitting, one row of purl will give you the stockinette stitch. Now I am going to knit an entire row. Here you will see the stockinette stitch at the top and the garter stitch at the bottom. The back of your work will look like complete garter stitch, which is just the back of your purl row. So now I'm going to do a row of purl. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and check back for more videos to help increase your knitting skills. See you next time.